Hello friends! Today I'm going to tell you how to transfer files from mobile phone to laptop or PC without data cable. Are you looking for the free and easiest way to transfer files from phone to laptop without a USB? Friends, you can easily transfer large files, pictures, and videos by setting up an FTP file transfer protocol server and move files from Android to Windows. First of all, go to Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Wi-Fi FTP server. Install the application. When installation is complete, open the app and grab the permissions from the interface shown on the screen. And you'll see this kind of interface. Make a note of the server address. Now go to your laptop or PC. Right-click and select Add a network location from the options. Click on Next. Choose a custom network location. Now write the same server URL shown on your Android screen. And click Next. Name the folder as you want. Click Finish and a new folder will be created and you can access all the files on your mobile device. From here you can copy or move files from phone to your laptop or PC. So this is how to move files from mobile to laptop without a data cable or USB. So friends, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.